guys. Hope you all are doing well this morning. Today in our devotional, it is March 17th, and it says dead versus life. 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verses 1 and 5. For we know that if the earthly tent we live in is destroyed, we have a building from God, an eternal house in heaven, not built by human hands. Now the one who has fashioned us for this very purpose is God. 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verses 42 and 43. Our earthly bodies are planted in the ground when we die, but they will be raised to life forever. Our bodies are buried in brokenness, but they will be raised in glory. They are buried in weakness, but they will be raised in strength. Revelation 21, verses 3 and 4. God himself will be with them. He will wipe every tear from their eyes, and there will be no more death, nor sorrow, nor crying, nor pain. All these things are gone forever. Praise God. John chapter 11, verse 25. Jesus told her, I am the resurrection and the life. Anyone who believes in me will live even after dying. 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 14. Since we believe that Jesus died and was raised to life again, we also believe that when Jesus returns, God will bring back with him the believers who have died. And at the bottom it says, the cross that was once a murder weapon became our salvation, and the resurrection changed everything about death. Jesus experienced a long and difficult day and felt as though God had left him. All this was part of God's great treasure of grace. Jesus died, but was not abandoned, because the Father knew, what he was doing. Jesus died calm and victorious, so we may one day die calm and victorious too. Death becomes a gateway to an eternity with God. And I can't wait for that eternity with God. I long to go there. I'm so tired of this world. But that was our devotional for today, March 17th. As always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And my email is also there if you want to email me prayer requests or whatever. I love you guys. I hope you have a very, very blessed day. Hopefully we will be going to heaven soon. I hope so. I hope he comes soon to get us. But have a very blessed day, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye guys.